Today, we are discussing one of the most iconic aircraft in modern military history, the F-16A Fighting Falcon. This remarkable jet has not only transformed aerial combat but has also become a symbol of technological advancement and strategic prowess for many nations around the globe. As we delve into the intricacies of the F-16A, we will explore its design, specifications, operational history, impact on military strategy, and its continuing relevance in the modern world. Introduction to the F-16A. The F-16A Fighting Falcon, developed by General Dynamics, emerged in the late 1970s as a response to the changing dynamics of aerial warfare. Designed as a lightweight, multirole fighter, the F-16A was built to be versatile, agile, and cost-effective. Its design philosophy marked a significant departure from previous generations of fighters, which were often heavier and more expensive. The F-16A was first introduced into service with the United States Air Force in 1978, and it quickly became renowned for its exceptional performance and capabilities. With a top speed exceeding Mach 2 and an impressive combat radius of over 2,280 kilometers, the F-16A was capable of engaging in air-to-air combat, ground attack missions, and reconnaissance, all while being easy to maintain and operate. Design and specifications. At the heart of the F-16A's design is its unique airframe, featuring a blended wing-body configuration. This design not only reduces drag but also enhances maneuverability, an essential characteristic for any modern fighter jet. The aircraft's low-profile fuselage and high-mounted wings allow for superior aerodynamic performance, enabling it to execute complex maneuvers in combat with unparalleled grace. The F-16A is powered by a Pratt & Whitney F100 PW200 engine, which provides an impressive thrust-to-weight ratio, allowing for rapid acceleration and climb rates. This engine can produce a thrust of approximately 23,830 pounds, providing the F-16A with the ability to reach cruising speeds quickly. The jet can carry a variety of armaments, including air-to-air missiles such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder and AIM-120 AMRAAM, precision-guided bombs like the GBU-12 Pei-Wei-2, and a 20mm M61 Vulcan cannon. Its flexibility in armament makes it a formidable opponent in any engagement. The F-16A's operational capabilities are further enhanced by its impressive avionics suite. The aircraft features a digital fly-by-wire control system, which enhances stability and control during flight. This system allows pilots to push the aircraft to its limits with confidence, knowing that the avionics will assist in maintaining control. The cockpit is equipped with a heads-up display and multifunction displays, providing pilots with real-time data and situational awareness critical for combat operations. Avionics and technology. One of the standout features of the F-16A is its radar system. The APG-66 radar provides the aircraft with a target tracking range of over 60 nautical miles, enabling it to detect and engage enemy aircraft at considerable distances. This capability was a game-changer in air combat, allowing F-16A pilots to gain the upper hand before enemy fighters even knew they were in danger. The radar system also incorporates features such as ground mapping and terrain following modes, which are essential for conducting ground attack missions. This dual capability allows the F-16A to perform a variety of missions effectively, whether it's engaging enemy aircraft or providing close air support for ground troops. The integration of advanced electronics and weaponry has made the F-16A one of the most versatile combat aircraft in history. Moreover, the F-16A is designed with a high level of maintainability in mind. Its modular design allows for quick repairs and upgrades, ensuring that it can be operationally ready with minimal downtime. This aspect is particularly advantageous for air forces that require an effective fighter jet but may not have extensive resources for maintenance. Operational history and impact. The F-16A has seen extensive service in various conflicts around the world. From its first deployment in the early 1980s during the Cold War to its active role in the Gulf War, the F-16A has proven its worth time and again. Over the decades, it has been involved in numerous operations, including peacekeeping missions, counterinsurgency efforts, and full-scale warfare. One of the most notable aspects of the F-16A's operational history is its role in the Gulf War in 1991. During this conflict, F-16 has played a crucial role in the air campaign, executing precision strikes against key targets in Iraq. The combination of advanced technology, versatile armament, and skilled pilots allowed the F-16A to dominate the skies, contributing significantly to the coalition's success. With its ability to conduct both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, the F-16A proved to be an invaluable asset in achieving air superiority. In addition to its service with the United States, the F-16A has been adopted by numerous allied nations, including Belgium, the Netherlands, and Israel. Its reliability, affordability, and adaptability have made it a popular choice for air forces around the world, contributing to a global network of F-16 operators. Countries such as Turkey, Egypt, and Bahrain have also integrated the F-16A into their fleets, further demonstrating its international appeal. The F-16A has been a key player in various NATO operations, reinforcing the importance of interoperability among allied forces. As a common platform among many NATO countries, the F-16A fosters collaboration and joint training exercises, enhancing collective defense capabilities. This shared operational experience has strengthened alliances and improved the readiness of member nations. Advancements and variants. While the F-16A itself is a remarkable aircraft, it is also important to note the evolution of the F-16 family. Over the years, numerous variants and upgrades have been developed to enhance its capabilities further. The F-16C, for example, introduced improved avionics, increased payload capacity, and enhanced combat systems. It further solidified the F-16's reputation as a capable multirole fighter. The continual upgrades and modernization programs for the F-16 family have allowed it to remain relevant in an ever-changing landscape of aerial warfare. These advancements ensure that the F-16 remains a crucial asset for air forces, adapting to new threats and challenges. The integration of cutting-edge technologies, such as advanced radar systems and precision-guided munitions, has enabled the F-16 to maintain its edge over adversaries. In recent years, several air forces have undertaken modernization programs to extend the service life of their F-16 fleets. These upgrades often include new cockpit displays, improved avionics, and the integration of state-of-the-art weaponry. As a result, the F-16 continues to evolve, ensuring that it remains a formidable force in the skies. The role of the F-16A in modern warfare. As we look to the future, it is essential to consider the role of the F-16A and its descendants in modern warfare. The changing nature of conflicts, including asymmetric warfare and the rise of unmanned systems, presents new challenges for traditional air combat. However, the F-16's versatility and proven track record make it well-suited to adapt to these evolving scenarios. In recent years, we have seen the F-16A being utilized in a range of missions, from counterterrorism operations to humanitarian assistance. Its ability to conduct precision strikes while minimizing collateral damage is invaluable in today's complex operational environment. The F-16A has played a significant role in stability operations, providing air support for ground troops and aiding in disaster relief efforts. Moreover, the F-16A's role in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions has become increasingly important. With the ability to carry advanced sensors and cameras, the F-16A can gather critical intelligence, providing commanders with valuable situational awareness on the battlefield. This capability enhances the effectiveness of joint operations, allowing for informed decision-making in real time. Furthermore, the F-16A has been instrumental in training the next generation of pilots. Many air forces utilize the F-16 as a training platform, allowing new pilots to gain valuable experience in a modern fighter jet. This role in training ensures that future generations of aviators are well prepared to face the challenges of modern aerial warfare. The legacy of the F-16A. As we reflect on the legacy of the F-16A, it is essential to acknowledge its impact not only on military aviation but also on international relations. The F-16 has played a significant role in shaping alliances and partnerships among nations. Its export to various countries has fostered closer ties and collaborations in defense, promoting stability and security in regions around the world. Moreover, the F-16A's success has paved the way for future fighter jet developments. The lessons learned from its design, operation, and upgrades have informed the development of newer aircraft, such as the F-35 Lightning II. The F-16's adaptability and performance continue to serve as a benchmark for modern fighter jets, reinforcing its status as a cornerstone of aerial combat. In conclusion, the F-16A Fighting Falcon is more than just an aircraft. It is a symbol of innovation, adaptability, and resilience in the face of evolving challenges. Its design, technology, and operational history have made it a cornerstone of modern air power, shaping the future of aerial combat. As we look toward the future, we must continue to honor and learn from the legacy of the F-16A Fighting Falcon. The advancements made through its development and operational use will undoubtedly inform the design and strategy of future aircraft. The continued investment in aviation technology and training is vital to ensure that the lessons learned from the F-16A are not forgotten.